Welcome to Local Traders, the safest and easiest way to buy cryptocurrency. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will show you how to buy cryptocurrency securely on our platform. Step 1. Visit Local Traders and sign up. First, go to localtraders.finance. Always double-check the URL to avoid fake websites. Click Sign Up, enter your email or phone number, set a secure password, and complete any required verification. If you already have an account, simply log in. Step 2. Select Buy and choose your cryptocurrency. Once you're on the dashboard, click Buy and select the cryptocurrency you want: LCT, USDT, BTC, or others. Step 3. Choose your fiat currency and payment method. Select the fiat currency you want to use: USD, PKR, NGN, AED, and more. Choose your preferred payment method, such as bank transfer, mobile wallets, e-wallets. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy, then proceed. Step 4. Browse offers and select a seller. You'll see a list of offers from different sellers. Choose one based on the available balance. Trade limits, payment methods, seller ratings and response time. Select the offer that best suits you. Step 5. Enter trade amount and review details. Before proceeding, carefully review the available amount from the seller, trade limits, accepted payment method, escrow time, seller's terms and conditions. If everything looks good, confirm the trade. Step 6. Make the payment and complete the trade. On the trade screen, you'll see escrow protection details ensure a secure transaction. Chat option to communicate with the seller. Seller's payment method. Transfer the payment to the seller as instructed. Warning: important, never click Mark as paid unless you've actually sent the payment. Once the seller confirms the payment, the crypto is released from escrow and added to your wallet. Final step: secure your funds and start trading. Congratulations! You've successfully bought crypto on Local Traders. Bulb, pro tip: always use escrow-protected trades to ensure a safe transaction. Need help? Our 24/7 support team is always available. Start trading today at localtraders.finance.